from. Look at that point though. That be hard. That be hard. Cuz just looking. Ain't that wide about the tough. Look at his face. He just like. Let me hit it one time. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah.
Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, man. This is my first time really getting out the house for real, man. First thing I started doing was getting this video for y'all boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Vlogmas, like I said, you know what I'm saying? Video will be dropping every day. I don't know what y'all might get, man. You know what I'm saying? I may get y'all a shoe collection video just off the, you know what I'm saying, doing something different besides just being in the whip. But the POVs will always be near, you know what I'm saying? So don't worry about not seeing POVs, bro. But y'all can see we're in a slight custom mode today, man. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. Something slight, man. This semi truck taking up all the space, man. Got a Camaro over there. Come on, man. But anyway, Cari crew, man, if you are new, man, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And that look like two of my partners over there. There go two of my partners over there, man. Well, one of them. Yeah. Them boys over there. I'm gonna rev my engine. I know my 12 right there. Ooh. You gotta have them good eye, Cari crew. Y'all see 12. He right there by that, right there, bro. Ooh, you gotta have them good eye, boy. Got to, boy. Radar didn't even let me know nothing. Man, I'm messing up my intro, but hey. But yeah, man, if you are new, man, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 10K the quick way. But I don't really know what I'm gonna do, man. We just gonna cut up as usual, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna give me something to eat, man. I want to get a video cutting up with the boy, man, with some Mopars and 2 Scats over there, you know what I'm saying? But they probably busy, man, so I don't know. I don't really be bothering folks too much for real, man. I be just getting these videos out, man. I ain't in the traffic light taking forever. I'm gonna turn the camera back on, we start moving, man. Alright, man, we back, man. The dude over here looking at me. Let me drive, brother. I'm making the video, man. The vlogmas. Tune in, you know what I'm saying? Peep the name on the window. Nice little custom mode, by the way, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Custom mode still get down too, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got that much gas, as y'all already know. So, you know what I'm saying? I can't be giving y'all too much of a good show. You know what I'm saying? I give y'all a little something, though. You know what I'm saying? The consistency, man. Consistency is key, Cari crew. Consistency is key, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? It's one of the keys, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say and cap y'all down like that. There's more to it, for sure. But hey, consistency, one of the keys. One of the small keys, you know what I'm saying? Spare key. But hey, it still get you somewhere. It depends on how your mindset is. Traffic, man, you know what I'm saying? trying to cut up in it. And them the cars that can go up under them the cars that can go up under the semi truck in the movie. No, like the car Kobe jumped over. God, I love that bill. That bitch is low, boy. You can't even put your arm up under that bitch. We got a little trailer today, man. I don't know what that damn should have jumped. I should have jumped over. What was a wide body? Hey, bro, trying to turn up. Hold on, now. Bro, trying to turn up. Hold on. Oh. Oh, yeah. Slow it down. Like you're trying to cut up, man. Hold on, man. Popping all that little smoke. Oh, he making that bit bounce. What folks trying to do, boy? What folks trying to do? I'm finna go get something to eat, but cuz riding. Hey. Oh, 12. Cuz playing. He is playing, boy. Shit, they don't mess with him. Let that be me, though. Let that be me, though. Let me catch up with his ass. I ain't gonna make too much of it. No, I'm on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know Big Lil. They can hear that motherfucker. Y'all can see, man, they wanted me to hit that motherfucker. Go turn it up, let go. Go turn it up. Y'all ain't never seen me do that one. Slow it down though. Gotta slow it down now. Hey, he's smart. He a smart young man. Yeah, he know the drill. He know the drill. Come around the curve or a hill, but you better, hey. But if you don't know, but you better act like you know, but you come around the curve, you know what I'm saying? No, you ain't doing right. Play it smart, Cari Crew. Play it smart, man. Well, yeah, man, I done went a whole nother route. I was trying to go get something to eat from somewhere totally different. Now I gotta make a UE. You know what I'm saying? Cause I had to just give y'all a quick little movie. You know, ugly, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, Cari Crew, at least I can give y'all a little pull when I turn around. I ain't been doing that much talking. I feel like I haven't. That's a good thing, right? Or am I wrong? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if I'm wrong. If I had traction off and doing one of them kind of videos, bop. But you better come on, man, and slide this here for real. Let's do it. That's a little slight throttle. That was probably like 25% throttle. You know, just dragging gear, you know what I'm saying? In custom mode, by the way. All right. Yeah. I'm just talking, Cari Crew, man. Y'all just enjoy the video, man. Just enjoy the night down shit. Let me get one in a second. Hold on. Get a little breathe. Alright. Alright, we done. Go chill out. She getting warm. She getting a little warm. a little warm, car crew. Get a little warm. What I say about the curve, car crew? Slow it down. Slow it down. You don't know who might be around. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we good. You know what I'm saying? We run the speed limit. Hey, man, but I'm just cutting up, man. Just cut the camera on and get out there vlogging, you feel me? As always, man, cutting up in my custom mode, you know what I'm saying? Still give y'all the little noise, man. Give y'all these bangers still, man. Either way. You know what I'm saying? Entertainment, either way, man. But yeah. Is that a Porsche? Is the video might not be over yet. And he riding too. The video might not be over yet, guys. I don't know. I almost ended it. Ain't he going the same way I'm going? Now you had to be in front of me. Look at the WRX. I want one of them, man. If I ever go JDM, by the time I got enough money to do all that at the same time, I'm getting me a WRX car, cool. And give me a WRX, man. Subaru, the Subaru. You know what I'm saying? With the big boy wing on the back, man. Come on, Mom. Gosh. Dang, that Porsche kind of hard, but I gotta get by that bit. I see how I did that. I put my hand on the other side of the wheel and the wheel stay turning. Y'all let me know the trick down below. How you do that? Give me my thumbnail. Give me my thumbnail, man. Give me my thumbnail, man. Don't you speed up. Don't you speed up. Let me get that. Yeah. Come on, car, go be too smart. But look at that point though. That be hard. Cuz just looking. Ain't that wide by the truck. Look at his face. He just like. Let me hit it one time. Yeah. You hear that? Yeah. He's smiling. I know you like that, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Come on. I know you like that, man. That's up. I know buddy like Olivia with the sound effect, man. Come on, man. Best sounding scat in the state, man. Come on, man. I don't care what you talking about. Best sounding scat in the state, man. For what she is, stock exhaust, man. Come on, man. You can't beat it. And I'm not even straight pipe, bro. Y'all boys straight pipe ain't even sounding like me. That's to let you know something. Cari crew. Tighten up, man. One of a kind. This is one of a kind. You know what I'm saying? She all mine, face up. Well, yeah. It really ain't too much, man. I'm in traffic. There's a lot of traffic, as y'all can see, man. For some reason on this fine weekday. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, Vlogmas, I'm gonna give y'all some more. I gotta keep giving y'all the content, bro. At least up to Christmas. I don't know when Vlogmas end. I think it's 20. I don't know if it's all the way to Christmas or past Christmas. The whole month. I'm gonna do the whole month. Or at least 30, you know what I'm saying? Cause New Year's Eve, you know what I'm saying, might be whatever. I'm gonna be busy trying to get y'all videos, you feel me? So yeah. So you're gonna drive slow too. Yeah, man, I had to attend to my phone right quick, man. But yeah. Olivia sounds amazing, man. Like you just can't beat what you just can't beat it. Listen to the echo. That's crazy, man. Hit her with another one. He beat the horn at me. Come on, man, respect. Give respect what respect is due, man. You know, give credit, whatever the hell he said. Give credit what credit due, give respect what it earned. You know what I'm saying? I'm just talking literally off the dome for no reason. I feel like I'm talking too much. Cause my voice is annoying, you know what I'm saying? I be trying, car crew. Oh my Lord. They call it seem faster going around a little curve. Feel like I get a little jet lag. Oh my Lord. Custom mode 5. First gear pull. That's crazy. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I just want to drive this side of town, man. While I was doing that, I would make a video out of it. You know what I'm saying? Get my video today out the way, all right, crew. But yeah, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. You know what I'm saying? We're going up all this year, and we're definitely going up 2023, man, for sure. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling what I'm gonna be at in 2020 by the end of 2023, bro. I'll probably be up 100. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Y'all know how YouTube is, especially when you break that 10K, man. You break that 10K is up. That's why any YouTuber right now watching this, bro, and you just hit over 10K or you close to it, bro, we already passed it, but do not quit, bro. I can't stand when, like, people that already done passed it, bro, and they quit, bro. Regardless of what go on, bro, you gotta keep doing it. You know how hard it is just to get that? And some people be getting it overnight like it ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy. But yeah, man. Y'all do that. Keep striving for greatness, man, and don't quit, man. Chase your dreams, especially if it's something positive or something good. You know what I'm saying? Come out of it without being something negative or doing something bad that you got to do to have it. You feel me? But, yeah, man. Like I was saying, man, y'all do that, man. Like all my religious folks, I tell y'all, man, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Always talk to him, spend time with him. You know it. I know it's hard. We ain't the best. We ain't perfect. We can't walk in a straight line, but you can at least try. You gotta try your all, man. Give it your all. You know what I'm saying? But, excuse me. Whew. But yeah, man. Like I was saying on the end of my video as well, Cari crew, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.